Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This mop head is amazing. The mop head is super smooth and it glides across the floor. You can maneuver it from side to side. It's really easy to take out if you need to wash it, or you can put it back in nice and snugly. I love how snug it fits, so then it won't come off as you're mopping. I also love getting my kids involved in the chores, so it's really lightweight, so your child can help you with mopping. Also, the handle is super long, and when you're done, you can just throw it in the washing machine. So if you're looking for a mop replacement head, this one is definitely awesome. I love it so much. It's so easy to maintain, to clean. It's just really a good product. I love it, and that's my point of view.